Most people think mobile information systems are just mobile apps. That's too shallow. A mobile app is only the visible part. Behind it, there is a complete information system collecting data, processing requests, connecting users, updating records, sending notifications, tracking activity, and helping businesses make decisions. In simple words, a mobile information system allows people to access and use business information through mobile devices, anytime, anywhere. Think about food delivery. A customer opens an app, checks restaurants, places an order, pays online, tracks the rider, receives notifications, and rates the service. To the customer, it looks like a simple app. But behind the scenes, many systems are working together. The restaurant system receives the order. The payment system processes the transaction. The delivery system assigns a rider. The GPS system tracks location. The inventory or menu system updates availability. The CRM stores customer behavior. The analytics system studies demand, delivery time, and customer satisfaction. That is the real meaning of a mobile information system. It is not just a phone screen. It is a connected business system running through mobile access. In information systems, mobile technology changed one major thing. It moved information from fixed offices to people's hands. Before mobile systems, many business activities were limited to desktops, counters, branches, or physical locations. But now employees, customers, managers, drivers, doctors, students, and field workers can interact with systems in real time from anywhere. A bank customer can transfer money from a phone. A manager can check sales while traveling. A delivery rider can update order status on the road. A doctor can access patient records on a tablet. A student can attend class through a learning app. A customer can scan a QR code and order without waiting for staff. This is why mobile systems became a major part of modern information systems. They make information more accessible, faster, and more personal. But here's the catch. Mobile information systems are powerful, but they are also risky, because mobile devices are not always controlled environments. Phones can be lost. Public Wi-Fi can be unsafe. Apps can have security flaws. Users can share passwords. Fake apps can steal data. Notifications can expose sensitive information. Location tracking can create privacy concerns, so mobile systems must be designed carefully. A good mobile information system needs secure login, encryption, access control, regular updates, proper data privacy, backup systems, and strong user verification. For example, a banking app cannot treat security casually. It needs multi-factor authentication, fraud detection, session control, transaction alerts, and secure payment processing. A hospital mobile system must protect patient records. A delivery app must protect customer addresses and rider data. A business dashboard app must protect company performance reports. So the mobile side may look simple, but the information system behind it must be serious. Another challenge is user experience. On desktop, users may tolerate complex screens. On mobile, they will not. Mobile systems need to be fast, clear, simple, and focused. If a customer needs 10 steps to place an order, they may leave. If an employee cannot update data quickly, they may avoid using the system. If the app is slow, users lose trust. This is where many businesses fail. They build mobile apps but ignore the actual information flow. The app looks nice, but orders are delayed. The dashboard looks modern, but data is outdated. The customer can place a request, but staff never receives it properly. The rider can update status, but the customer does not get notified. The app collects data, but management never uses it. That is not a mobile app problem only. That is an information system problem. Because the value of mobile systems comes from connection, not appearance. Today, mobile information systems are becoming even more powerful because of cloud computing, GPS, QR codes, mobile payments, push notifications, biometric login, and AI. AI can personalize app content. GPS can optimize delivery routes. Mobile payments can speed up transactions. Push notifications can bring customers back. QR systems can reduce waiting time. Biometrics can improve security. Cloud systems can sync data across devices. But again, technology alone does not guarantee success. If the business process is weak, the mobile system will expose it faster. A restaurant with poor kitchen discipline will still delay orders, even with the best ordering app. A company with bad customer service will still frustrate users, even with a polished mobile platform. A delivery business with poor logistics will still fail, even if the tracking screen looks beautiful. That is the brutal truth. Mobile systems do not fix bad operations. They make good operations faster and bad operations more visible. At the Learning Studio, the goal is simple: to understand mobile information systems as more than just apps. Because every time you order food, transfer money, track a ride, scan a QR code, or check a business dashboard on your phone, you are not just using mobile technology. You are interacting with an information system designed to move data, decisions, services, and business actions through the device in your hand. And the businesses that design these systems properly do not just become mobile friendly. They become faster, more connected, and closer to the customer.